I'll show you in the quick and easy way how you can request time off in UKG Workforce. Now, from the menu, you just have to select there. And then after that, on your info, you want to select on my time. After that, time off. Now, on time off, select requests. On requests, you want to select what kind of leave you want. Like for example, in here, I want to select a sick leave, right? And then after that, you want to click on the price icon to start your request, right? After that, you just want to browse and select one of the leaf bubbles here. So for example, I want to be sick, right? But there's also another option like bereavement, camp time, holiday, substitute, jury, set witness, personal necessities, or others, right? Things like that. Now, after that, after all of these is complete, you just have to click on start request here. After that, you have to choose a request type. How long will you be out? Like, is it a full day, multiple days, partial days, bulk, start and stop, those types, right? Now, fill this out according to what you actually need. After that, you just have to complete the form, which includes selecting a date, enter the time in and out, select the calculate, enter a comment, and select a submit request. After that, your time off request is now reflected on your timesheet, right? All good. After that, you can also view the notification. And when the manager has approved your request, your scheduled vacation day will be updated with a solid line. So it's approved, right? And it'll be reflected on your schedule as well. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.